Hey guys, Tech Chris here, back with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at parting out this laptop right here. Now this is a very cheap laptop. I bought it for $75 and I'm going to show you how you can get laptops and strip them down for parts and make more money than what you bought them for. So without further ado, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have the power supply, because the power supply for laptops usually are worth some money. In this one's worth $15 all by itself. And without further ado, let's hop right into taking this thing apart. Right here is the Asus R540S laptop, and we just need to take the screws out of the back of it. Okay, so I've got the back of this with all the screws out of it, so now I just need to pry off the back and I'll cut back when that's done. Okay, so this one was actually a bit different. The top of it, where the keyboard is actually the part that comes off, and you have the touchpad and the keyboard hooked up to the motherboard that you have to unclip before you can take it off. Okay, so now that we've got that taken off, I'll show you right here. There's the two ribbon cables that I was talking about. Now make sure not to take any of this apart, as usually the keyboard is separate, but on this one the whole top panel is one piece, and these top panels without the touchpad are selling on eBay for $90. The next part we're going to be pulling out is this DVD-ROM right here, and it looks to be that there's only one screw. Actually there is two, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so actually it looks like the solid state drive needs to come out first, and this is a Crucial BX500 240GB SSD, and the price is on screen now. Now let's get this CD-ROM drive out. It is simple as sliding it out, and here it is. So the price for this is on screen now as well. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be pulling out is this motherboard right here. There are a couple of mounting screws that you can see now, and a plastic cover. So this motherboard specifically comes in two pieces, but the second piece isn't worth anything, so you're better off bundling up as a package deal with the CPU fan. This right here is the wireless network chip, and I usually just pair them with a motherboard because there's no value there. Next we have the CPU fan, and this is also something that I pair with the motherboard as there's no value there. Next we've got the motherboard, and here's just the main board for $50. I could not find the second board, so as a pair with everything else, I'd probably look at selling it for around $70, which is what I bought the laptop for. Next up is this laptop right here. Now this is an OEM, so from the manufacturer, and I know this battery is good, so people are willing to pay a premium. Up on the screen right now is the aftermarket, and OEM you should be able to get $25 at least for. This speaker I always bundle with the bottom plate, so you can just ignore that. Now whenever I sell a screen, I always leave it attached to the whole top panel, and up on the screen right now is the price, and this is where a majority of the money will come from. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. In a grand total, I'll have the grand total of how much money we pulled from that $75 laptop up on the screen now. And if you enjoyed this and want to see more content like this, I do reviews of products. I do videos like this, fixing stuff. And I hope I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.